Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about classes and objects in object-oriented programming language. As well as also, I will also go into the Python, how you can create classes and objects. So in colleges, we have thought that object is an instance of class. So basically, what does that mean? How you can relate them into the real life? So let me give you a scenario. For example, let's take a car of class of car. So what is car? You can take an class like car like Audi, Mercedes, or something like that. So you have to be specific for creating a class. For example, I'm going to take class Audi Q3. That is a class. Now, what are the objects? So if you put three Audi Q3 in a line, so you can say like there are the three objects and which belongs to Audi Q3 class. Three cars are which belongs to Audi Q3. So as you know that class have certain attributes and methods. So attributes like color, like maximum speed 140 kilometers per hour, engine power, whatever horsepower, something like that. So they have some attributes for particular object, and every object has some methods. Like a car can drive, so I can create a method like drive. I can blow a horn, so I can create a method like blow horn. So in that Audi Q3 class. So how this object-oriented programming works in, as I explained before, this whole system, Java, Python, like every programming language applies to this model. So I think that's enough. Now let's get into the Python, how you can create classes and objects in Python. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to create one class called car. And if you want to create a class, just type the class and space the name of the class and with round brackets. Uh, I'm going to define init method. The people who know Java, there is a concept called constructor. Constructor is a thing when you define an object, that the thing that method will be called automatically. So here is the same thing in Python. So and there is one by default argument. It's called self. I will explain you later how what is self and all. First, let me write some code little bit. Uh, Print. This is the init method. I'm also taking speed color. Okay. Now let me write down first self dot speed equal to speed, self dot color equal to color. With two arguments, speed and color. I will pass two arguments, speed and color, from the from out from while creating the object, and this self object. So if I'm calling with uh, Audi, so that self is represent to Audi object. If I'm calling this method using Mercedes, then that self represent Mercedes instance. That is the use of self. Now let me I will pass two attributes because of this two arguments, speed and color. Now 140 comma blank. Now let's run this program. So as you can see, they have accessed the value, and you can see the output. This is the init method. Now I'm going to uh, create some more methods like def driving, and I will pass the argument self. Self is by default, you have to write self. Okay. Now let's write some code here. I am driving the car at the speed of self dot speed. Now I will call this method by writing c1 dot driving. So that is the output. I'm driving the car at the speed of 140 kilometers. Not really. I'm not doing that. So you can create more objects, as I've told you. Like if I create one more object, C2 car 120 red. So and if I call the driving method using C2 object, so I'm driving the car at the speed of 120 kilometers. And yeah, also there is two init method. There is two print statements because I have created this class two times. One statement for the C1, second statement for the C2. In classes, I can do like C2 dot speed equal to 160. So it, and you can see the change, speed of 160 kilometers. So I think that is how you can create class, define methods, create objects, pass the arguments, and call the methods whatever you want to do. So in Python it's really simple to do object-oriented work. So hope you like this video. Hit the like button, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.